Hello class, welcome to today's session on CAD and mechatronics. In our last class we discussed about introduction to AutoCAD. Like you all know, AutoCAD is a software used for doing 2D and 3D designing. So now, remember AutoCAD doesn't just appear in your system like magic. You have to download it from the manufacturer or the producer. Like every product out there, you have some free cards, but your free cards might not enable you to do so many things on them because of the limitations. And the developer of this software are also human beings, and they also want to make some income. So now, today, we are diving into installation and setting up AutoCAD. How do you install and set up AutoCAD on your system? Like I said earlier, it doesn't just appear in your system like magic, and it is not free. So now, let's dive into today's class. Today, how to install Autodesk AutoCAD in Windows and Mac. For sure, you also have AutoCAD for your Android devices, but I wouldn't advise you use that even as a designer, as a learner or a student. Don't go for AutoCAD Android. It is very good, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, it has so many limitations for a designer. Now, the first thing you do to get your Autodesk AutoCAD on your system is, like the name implies, Autodesk AutoCAD. So this means it is being developed by a company called Autodesk. Autodesk has their headquarters in California. So one of their software is AutoCAD. So now to download and install AutoCAD softwares, you need to go to their sites to download it. Now, mind you, Autodesk AutoCAD has two versions. You have the educational version or the subscribed professional version. Now, what is the difference between these two versions? The educational version is meant for students and instructors, like people that are just trying to venture into the design line. I hope you're getting this. And if you have any question, you can note them down. You can upload them on the Robota website, or you can ask them now in the class. Any question? Okay, good. Now let's move forward. Now, we have the educational version of AutoCAD. This implies the educational version can only work for 30 days. Because Autodesk expects you to grab everything you want to grab on AutoCAD within 30 days. Which, I won't lie to you, it is not possible. Because AutoCAD is a very wide software, a very wide CAD software. And you can't, trust me, you can't learn it all in 30 days. But this is just the trial version. So as a student and instructor, there will be so many limitations of what you can do with your trial version. You might not be able to get to some places, you might not be able to use some tools and some softwares. The next one is the subscribed professional version. This version is the general, or how do I put it, is the bulk product, like the real product. But mind you, this one doesn't come free, like the educational version. The difference between educational version and subscribed professional version is, the educational version is free, but it can only work for 15 to 30 days. But the subscribed version works for your package. You might get a 6-month package or a 1-year package. Now, follow the below steps to get Autodesk AutoCAD on your PC. Now, the first step is register your details in below site with your name and email ID. There's a link on the screen. This link will automatically take you to Autodesk site. We'll dive into that shortly. And I think as I do so, you can also follow prompts, and on your own end too, you can follow me as I do this on my system. So I'll take you through the basics on how to get AutoCAD, the educational version for students. So after the 30 days, then you can then choose the kind of subscription you want to do for your AutoCAD. Let's dive in. So now, to download Autodesk software, Autodesk AutoCAD on your system, the first thing you need to do is you go to the Autodesk site, website. They have a general site. Like I told you earlier, Autodesk is a company, is a CAD developing company that creates cards for the benefit of everybody. So now what we'll be diving into now is we'll go to their site, and after going to their site, you register for educational purpose as a student. So you can get the free trial version for 30 days. Then after these 30 days, you can choose whether to subscribe for a month, 6 months, or a whole year package. That depends on you. But for a starter or for a fresher, let me put it that way, for someone that is just getting to know CAD software, here is a tip on how you can get the educational version of AutoCAD for learning purpose. So now let's dive into that. Now, the first thing you do here is on your screen, you open your search engine, like whether you're using Google or DuckDuckGo or any other browser you're using. Like there's a link on the screen. You can copy that link and come to your search engine here. So you paste it. I already have that on my screen. So once you paste that, then you click your enter button. Now it brings you to this screen where you have Autodesk Education and Student Access. Yeah, as a fresher, as a learner, we click this. So now let's wait for this to load. So once it is loading, you have your education. Yeah, now this is it. You have your unlock educational access to Autodesk products. Now, mind you, Autodesk has so many products, not just AutoCAD. They developed Revit, they developed TinkerCAD, and so AutoCAD, even Autodesk Inventor, so many of them. So now, the next thing we'll be doing here will be you'll be clicking on your get started. Like so, once you click on get started, it's asks you for get educational access. Now, this is the AutoCAD website where you register as a student, so you can get the free trial version for 30 days. This is just for learning purpose, actually, but because I can't guarantee you will learn AutoCAD in the midst of 30 days. Nobody can give you that kind of assurance, but this is just for educational purpose. I would suggest you just close your eyes and get the package. Even if it's a 6-month package, you go for it. So now for educational, so once Autodesk AutoCAD brings you to the get educational access, you click here. Now you have the student, educator, school IT administrator, or design competition mentor. You have those 4 options. These 4 options will be provided by the Autodesk site. Now you choose who you are. Like as a student, you can it's either a student or an educator can choose this, but I don't think an educator will go for this package because it will only last for 30 days. So this is mostly used by students. So you click the student version, then it asks for your date of birth. Let's just fill these boxes. Okay, let's go for January 1 and 2024. So you click on next. Now, okay. So now, once you input the link I say on the screen, it will take you to the Autodesk site you see on the screen earlier. Then it will bring you down to this get educational access. Like this is where you choose whether you're an instructor, whether you're a student, you're an IT manager, or a competition admin. So here is where this is a free chance from Autodesk to bring people in, because there is a saying, for you to get people, you give them free first, then you charge them. So this is one of those concepts where you're being given free first for you to see. It's just like what was this thing called, like appetizer? Yes. So this is just like the appetizer phase of AutoCAD from Autodesk software. So now let's move forward. You click on, once you are the get educational access, you click down here, you see them. You have, are you enrolling as a student, educator, a school IT administrator, or a design competition mentor? You don't want to go for this, because trust me, these 3 people will never enroll for the free role for 30 days. Now, you can pick as a student, you can go for student, then it asks for your date of birth. Mind you, while inputting your date of birth, you don't want to go too close. Like, for example, you don't input a fake date of birth, because this is a website and it can sense once you're too young for any Autodesk product. Now, let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. For instance, you choose January, then you're picking January 2, then your date is 2023 or 2024. Once you click next, can you see that it will give you an host message that we are sorry, you're not currently eligible to access that because of the age range you input in. So you don't want to get that, so you can go back and you see now. So let's click this, go back to your search engine again, and input the link, enter, click on this, wait for it to load. So you don't want to make that mistake. So I would advise you input your real age, and trust me, AutoCAD is a very secure website. So educational role again as a student. Okay, now let's take this again, February. You can choose your real date of birth, and let's go to something older like 2002. Now you're old enough. So next, can you see that? Now we are in. So the next phase is you have to input your Gmail or your email. Like, so let's just, I already have mine. So let's input this and next. Can you see that? Now it is asking you to set up a password. You can choose any password. Okay, I'll be setting mine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. I would like you to also share your password with me, since I'm also showing you my password. Don't mind me, that's just a joke. So signing in, okay, not much. Okay, let's go back. Okay, new to Autodesk. So now once you've created your Gmail, your email, you tap the create account. Can you see that? Now it brings you down to this dashboard where you have your first name, your last name, your email, your password. Now you can input this based on your specification, like, and everything. Then there's a box down here. I agree to the Autodesk terms of use and acknowledge the privacy statement. You need to check this. Then you can pick your password. So let's go on to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Now you don't have to necessarily use 1 to 9 to 0. You can choose a password of your choice, anything you want, anything you feel like choosing. Then you create the account. See that? Okay. This account already exists. Now let's choose something else. Okay. And if you have any question about this, you can drop that on the Roboter STEM training site. So let's create the account. So now you're on this site. Now it will ask you to either sign in or you create your new account. Now you can see your create account like at the lower end of the box. So you can click that, create new account. Then your name, you can input your first name. As you can see, it has auto-filled this one. But like, as you can see, it is showing me this account already exists. So let's try a different Gmail, like Roboter. Okay, now roboterstemtraining@gmail.com. Let's use this. Let's delete this and use Roboter to roboterstemtraining@gmail.com. Can you see that? Yeah. So now once you input anything on your Autodesk website, it clicks. So far the Gmail is still new. Mind you, you can't use a former Gmail. It will log you out and it won't give you access to use the free trial. So you have to use a fresh mail Gmail or mail anyone you're using. So now let's set our password for 901 to 920. Then click on I agree to the Autodesk term of use and acknowledge the privacy statement. Then you can click on create account. So let's wait till it takes us to the next page. Oh, one letter. The password is requesting for a letter. Okay. Roboter 1 2 3. Good. So everything has been checked. Can you see that whenever you're inputting command on the site, if it is not tallying with the Autodesk policy, it won't click the box. But once it tallies, you're automatically in. So you can click your create account. Can you see that it's already saving? Then you hold on while this saves. Now, can you see that now? You will automatically get a Gmail on your website, like, got it? So once you get a verification mail on your website, now you can easily input that in, then if I continue. So once you get that, you can click that on your website, then you open your software, you download the AutoCAD, any year version you want to use. A pin will be sent to your to your Gmail. Then you copy the Gmail, then input license on your Autodesk, on your AutoCAD, then you can input it. Very, very simple to use. Then you are running into your AutoCAD software. But mind you, this will only work for 30 days. After 30 days, you'll be logged out automatically by the license manager. So then you need to pay. Well, our advice, you get your AutoCAD immediately and you subscribe for the 6 month or the annual package. See you in the next class.